substring without repeating characters. Given string s, find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. Example 1. Input s ABC ABC BB. The output should be 3, with it being ABC with the length of C. And this one as BBBBB only has an output of, should have the number output of 1, and because the answer is only B, because there's only one substring of B without repeating characters. And example 3, input as PWWKEW 3, because the answer is WKE with the length of 3. Notice that the answer should be a substring P. So PWKE is a subsequence and not a substring. And how will we solve this? Let's make a data set. Let's make a data set. Data structure. Okay. Sure. Let's define this as sure underscore set equals to set. Okay. Let's make our left pointer equals to 0. Star thing point, and let's make a for loop to iteration for R for the right pointer. Let's go R, and so for every R in the range of the length of S, the string S. Okay, so let's add so for every let's add a char. Let's make a while loop in case there's none. While so the value of R in the string S is in the just set data. So if it's in the just set data R, we should remove it, take it out. So char set dot remove let's take out the left pointer. Let's take out the left pointer so we can change it. Left pointer add plus left pointer plus equals to 1. So that we add 1 for every value that has increment by 1. Okay. Change left pointer position by 1. Remove left pointer. So let's add let's add values to our char set for every R in the length. So add just hit on this that add um add s let's add r in the s string into our chess set, and then let's calculate our maximum. Let me make a comment here. Add our value from chess set from s from string to chess set data. Data. Okay, so now let's calculate max. Should define maximum value and give it our maximum value length. To be more specific, length equals to 0. So maximum value equals to 0. Maximum value. So maximum value length. I'll just copy this because we need it 2 or 3 more times. Okay, equals to the max value of maximum right here, just paste it, and then r minus the left. Remember, r is our current number that we're on. Okay. R minus left pointer plus 1 because we're starting from a 0 index. So return value. So let's check to see that we have everything. Comment the starting point, iteration for left pointer, left pointer minus left pointer maximum value. That's it. It should work. Hopefully it runs. Yes, and the case has been accepted, and that's it for this problem. It's a medium problem.